Hey guys, so today we have a fairy potion making and we're gonna make some potions. It comes in different types of bottles types, as you can see here. It comes with little stuff to put inside the bottles as well as an instruction maker. You can actually make like lucky potions, magic potions, any kind of potions that your kids will love. It is 3 and up, so make sure you have no kids to do because they do have small parts. And it comes with stickers, comes with all the bottles, all the bottle making, all the potion stuff. And yeah, let's make one for ourselves. Flower fairy, pink flower fairy, green flower. This is all. Oh wait, no. This is star. The stars. Moonlight powder, lucky petals, and ocean bubbles are the blue ones. What's the purple ones? Purple ones are purple flower fairy.